Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the overall strategy for your upcoming 2027 UPSC CSAT examination. All right. So this is a rough planner between June till October. We'll try to wrap up the syllabus with this क्या क्या चीज़ें उस पर बात करेंगे. November we give you a break. December to February we do the full length test and March to May again we focus on practice and revision. कैसे करना है? See, we start from 12th of June. वीकली स्केड्यूल वुड बी प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द पोर्टल इटसेल्फ. आपको कहीं नहीं जाना है, पोर्टल पे ये सारा चीज़ अपडेट होते रहेगा कि लेक्चर्स किस तरीके से होने वाले हैं. विल ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड एटलीस्ट 2 weeks प्रायर स्केड्यूल फॉर यू. नाउ इन दिस वी ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ द लेक्चर्स टॉपिक वाइज. उनका नोट मेकिंग का काम आपको करना है बिकॉज दिस इज वेयर यू डेवलप द कॉन्सेप्ट एज वेल. विद दिस the important ones will also have practice sheet 2, but definitely practice sheet 1 for all the important topics. This you need to take care of. हमने क्या करा है, प्रैक्टिस शीट के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड वंस हैं, इनका सोल्यूशन वीडियो भी इसके साथ में अपलोड हो जाएगा फॉर यू टू रेफर टू अ क्वेश्चन वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट. That's one thing. Same goes for PYQ as well and the doubt session. So this is collectively our plan till June till October. We'll try to wrap up the content as quickly as possible. Now November, since we have already wrapped up the content for you with the practice sheets, the PYQ sheets, all of it, आप यहाँ पे पूरी तरीके से रिविजन करो. मे बी अ चांसेस कि आपके कुछ बैकलॉग्स हो जाए यहाँ पे कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू फॉलो द लेक्चर्स थरली, सो यू मे बी हैविंग अ सर्टेन. और अगर आपने पूरे तरीके से कवर कर भी लिया है, रिवाइज इट. So 1 month, no new lectures or no new content from our end. You just need to wrap all of this with the doubt session. So actively we'll be having a lot of doubt sessions here. So that जो भी doubt आ रहा है रिविजन करते वक्त हम उन्हें cater करते चले जाए. And you know how to share your doubts and everything. That's a separate video. You can check it. Now, December till February, our major focus is on building the exam strategies. This can only happen when we have data regarding how you are performing in the full length test. So here in these 2 to 3 months, we'll try to provide you with full length test, their discussion, and you have to attempt this. कैसे करना है, क्या एग्जाम स्ट्रैटेजीज होने वाली है when we go towards December, when we start this phase, I will be discussing personally कि क्या आपको करना चाहिए, कैसे attempt करनी चाहिए, all of that. So don't worry. March to May, since we have done every bit of it, we'll try to do few new full length tests just for our own practice and to be in the rhythm for the next 3 months. We'll revise a lot of content. We'll try to focus more and more on the practice part, and with that we'll work on the expected question scenario. So this in totality is your 1 year plan. Please stick to this plan as much as possible. Wherever you feel you are lagging behind, directly connect with us and talk to us. But please keep this as your overall target. This has been compiled with the data that आप अगर मेंस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, अगर आप अभी जीएस की भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो भी आप ये सारे प्लान्स को फॉलो कर सकते हो. Just in case you are derailed, please connect with us. We'll give you a separate plan. But ideally, you should try to follow this with the maximum effort. All right. Thank you, everyone.